All right, now that we've talked about how many solutions a system might have, this time we're going to look at what's the solution. So we're going to be specifically looking at one solution systems, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to use that to find the solution to that, okay? So what I have here in number one is I have two lines that are intersecting at a point, okay? I know that it's a one solution because these two lines are intersecting at one point. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to find out what is the solution to these equations. So at what point do they meet? Remember, when we do this, we're going to give an x-coordinate and then a y-coordinate, okay? We should always give it in that order. So what I need to do is I need to look at this point and I need to see what value is the x value. And I look here and I see that there's a 3 as the x value. So my x-coordinate would be 3. Then I would look over here and I would look to see what my y value is. My y value is 2. So I'm going to put a 2. So my solution for number one here would be 3, 2, because that's the coordinate point where these two would meet. All right. Let me look at number 2. Again, I have a one solution because I have two lines that appear to intersect right here at this location. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to identify the x-coordinate first, then the y-coordinate, as I often do when I give coordinate pairs. Okay, so I'm going to look here and I'm going to see where the x-coordinate is. Again, I look at the x-axis, and so I look up above and I see that it's a -2. So x is -2 because that's where x is right here. And now I look at the y, I look over here at the y-axis and see what number's there, and that looks like it's a -1. Sorry, a -1. So my solution for this pair of systems is -2, -1. All right. Let's go ahead and look at the last one, number 3. Number 3, again, I see that these two lines both meet at this location right here. Again, I'm going to give the answer as an x and then a y coordinate. So I need to identify the x coordinate first. So what I want to do is I want to go directly down and see where, hey, what number value is right there? Well, I notice that it goes down right here, and the x value at this location is 0. So that means that we're going to have an answer that is on the y-intercept. So now I go ahead and look and see where that dot is on the y-axis. It is right here on 1. So I'm going to put a 1 above the y. So, excuse me, the solution for the one solution for these two lines would be at the y-intercept of 0, 1, or 0, 1 would be my solution. All right. Good luck with your practice on your problems.